rubber chicken. So who knows what a rubber chicken does? And how do they move?
They don't.
Yeah, they kind of like go like this. Okay, so we're going to shake all of the energy in and out of our bodies. So we're going to count to 8. So we're going to shake this hand for 8 counts, this hand for 8 counts, this hand, this leg, 8 counts, and then we're going to shake her up a little bit for 8 counts, and then we're going to count down all the way to 1, and then at the end, we're going to scream rubber chicken as loud as we can. All right, and we're going to go pretty fast. You ready? All right. Count out with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rubber chicken! Yeah, rubber chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rubber chicken! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rubber chicken! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rubber chicken! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rubber chicken! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rubber chicken! 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Rubber chicken! 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Whoa, you all just wrote a poem.
I did?
Do you want to hear it?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So, confusion tastes like bitterness, sour gummies, changing candy, warheads, a sweet pickle, a sour blueberry. Confusion is pickled plums, soggy bananas and prunes, broccoli. It's the feel of mushy, soggy, static, sticky air. It is juicy, rotting, dead skin, mashed potatoes, a big fat boulder, a rotting watermelon. It smells of compost, lemongrass, sibling farts, zucchini, raw shrimp, cow dung, Brussels sprouts, ranch, and mushrooms mixed together, and leather. It is the sound of a squeaky bass clarinet, nails on a chalkboard, crickets, birds, and a fork on a plate. It is the sight of you scratching your head, a spork, raised eyebrows, twisted mustaches, and a kaleidoscope.
What's a kaleidoscope?
It's what it's like